today we have got a debate and our topic is which is the best, doctor versus soldier, who serves us most, and I will tell that doctor is the best.
How can you say that doctor is the best?
Doctor is the best because in when the soldiers are becoming soldier, when they are doing practice and training, that time they have lots of injuries. So when they so that time they need doctors, na.
How can you say that?
So how in their injury
Let me tell you one thing. If suppose that there is no soldier on border
so
and enemy is going to attack us, so who will save us? Doctor will fight with them with injection or bottle.
so
Soldier will save us, na?
soldier is alive because of doctor.
How?
Because soldier
Suppose
is
that-
also human, na. So their injuries and their lots of
No.
illness they have. So that time they need doctors, na.
Okay,
They not
soldiers are alive because of doctor.
Yes.
And doctors are alive because of soldiers. Suppose that if they somebody is doing attacking you, so who will save us?
So
Soldier
first
na.
because of doctors they are alive.
And let me tell you one thing, because soldiers are doing their work 24 hours, but doctor don't do. They come on their time, as per their timing, not for us. And
So
let me
they
tell
will
you,
not get rest.
so soldiers should also get rest,
So
na,
that
but
time
they
they
don't
provide
take.
other doctors, na. That time they provide other doctors.
Yes, I am agree with
No,
you, but
hospital is not means they are not
and
closing.
suppose that some enemy is attacking on us, so soldier will fight with them, but they will not give us blame, just like doctor is giving. How? Suppose that in your family member or your friend is means going to die, and you will take him to hospital. So what doctor will tell? Sorry, means we can't save him or her. If you take him early, half hour, so we could save
So if
us,
soldier
him.
is fighting with enemy, so they will get injured.
No,
So
let
who
me
will
tell.
save their
Let
life?
me complete my point.
You completed now. I say
Let me tell you. Means so if someone is tired, so doctor will give you blame that you are means you are late, so we couldn't save him.
It's just for seeing, not for give blame.
No, doctor are giving you blame, and
Okay, so tell me.
Let me tell you one more point.
If you are if you are sick or you have injury, so you will go to soldier and tell me.
No, you don't. You
will
don't
first.
go.
You will go to doctor, na.
Yes, but what doctors are doing? Suppose that any
They
kind
are
of
saving life.
Yes, I am telling how they save. Means suppose that in your family someone is means any kind of injury he or him has. So what doctor will tell? Give us 1 lakh or 5 lakh rupees. So we will means give her treatment.
But they
for
will
two
save,
operation.
na.
Give
They
us.
will save, na.
But soldiers can't means what it says soldier don't tell us to give us money, because government will give them.
So
But what
so
doctors
they are also
doing?
doing because of salary, because of money.
No,
So
because of salary. Soldiers are doing their work in very honest.
So there are many types of facilities in free. You can get your means.
Means what are you?
What? In means in no matlab in free you can also get your treatment. There are
But
lots of facilities,
but
but
you will
they are
have to
not
give
that
some money,
facility.
na.
No, they are not that facility that soldier will means fight with enemy in free.
You just
There is
tell
not
me,
any facilities.
soldier-
Doctor is saving in free also, but soldier can't save in free.
How can you say that? You are right, but soldiers are giving their life to save us life. Doctor are giving.
What?
Doctor will tell, sorry, we couldn't save him or
So
her.
they will save, na. It's not the film is not going on that they can give the life for
But
everybody.
in a soldier life film is going on.
Yes.
Yes.
So doctor will save soldier, so soldier is alive. Otherwise, how they will means
Means what should I tell if on border there is no soldier, na? So no one will alive.
okay, and there
And in if there is a means what it say, if there is a no doctor, so we can alive. We
How?
can do our old like treatment. Means suppose
Like-
that if you have any kind of injury, so you can take means you can do old like treatment which village person is doing.
okay, big illness means which are means which treatment is to means operation. So you can do the old old means
old treatment you
Yes,
can't do,
you
but
can.
some small things you can do na.
Yeah,
But
small
what we
things
do,
you can do,
if
but
you have
if
any kind of
big-
injury, so we will go to doctor and he will
if there is no doctor na, so anybody will alive.
okay. And thank you for listening to us. Have a great day.